Hi, this is Dr. McClellan, and this video is about how to do the reading quizzes. So I've opened up 3 different things on my computer, and I'll show them to you as we go through. I've opened up the assignment. I've read the assignment. Oh, and I guess I'm not going to be able to do what I want to do. Hold on. Try it again. There we go. I'm splitting my screen. And then I've also opened up the book. So I have the assignment instructions here. I have the book here. I also have opened up a Word document. This is a Word document. Oh, I need my, I do not need that. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my stuff here. There it is. Okay. So the easiest way to do these assignments, and the reason it's different than what you probably did in high school, is in college we read for information. We read for knowledge, yes, but we read more for information. So I have a 4-step process. So step 1 is copy and paste the assignment instructions to your Word document. And there's my assignment instructions. Actually, I didn't want to merge. There we go. Step 2, I hate when it puts a little period up there. Step 2 is I'm going to go find my book. There we go. Now, the assignment instructions say, read chapter 1. Here's the beginning of chapter 1. Reply to the question in the submission box below. So when I go back to the website, there's a submission box. And this is the question. What do you think about what the textbook says? I'm going to highlight that. What the textbook says about the differences between high school writing and college writing. So I'm in my book and I'm looking for where it says in the book where it discusses the differences between writing for college and writing for high school. I'm going to guess that it's going to be right here in 1.1, and I'm going to scroll down, and there we go. Part 1, some critical differences between high school and college writing. So I'm going to read this part, and as I read through it, this is more about what happens. This answers more about what happens in college versus what happens in high school. And then I get down here, and I've got a key feature, argument, a key feature of college writing. And I get a lot of explanation about what argument it is. So first of all, it's not dispute argument like over a loud stereo. Instead, it is less contentious and more systematic in college. It is a set of statements coherently arranged to offer 3 things that experienced readers expect in essays that they judge to be thoughtful. So here's the 3 things. Now I'm going to copy this. It didn't merge like I wanted it to, so let me clean it up a little bit. Here we go. Okay. So from reading this, I know that this section right here is telling me the differences between college and high school writing. First of all, college professors expect your writing to have a claim. Second, They expect to see evidence, reasons, the reasons why you're writing about your claim, or why you think what you think, or you're writing what you're writing. And also that you've thought about limits and objections to your claim. And this is not just in argumentation or persuasion essays. This is in a lot of different writing. It could be in descriptive writing, it could be in narrative writing, it could be in process analysis writing. So that's step 2. So step 3 is, what do you think the textbook says about it? So what do you think about it? What do you think about that? Well, do you agree with it? Do you disagree with it? I'm going to make the document bigger here. What specifically do you think about this? So step 3, is that making it all the way? So step 3 is you think about it. And what I like to do here is, hold on, in step 3, sorry y'all. So step 3 is I would take all of this, all this information, and I would get rid of everything I don't need. So I don't need all of this necessarily. I just need claim, oh, I see what I did. Oh, hold on y'all. Evidence, there we go. Evidence, limits and objections. There we go. So what I've done in step 3 is I have gotten rid of everything I don't need. So these are the 3 differences between college and high school writing. Your writing should have a claim, evidence, limits, and objections, even when you're not writing persuasive essays. Now I have to formulate, I have to come up with my answer. I can't spell today, y'all, sorry. I've only had 2 cups of coffee. So, before I answer, step 1, copy and paste the assignment instructions to a Word document. Step 2, either find the answer in the chapter that you're supposed to be reading from the book and copy and paste it also to your Word document, or at least have it open so that you know what it is. Step 3, and can read it. Step 3, take out all the information you don't need. We just need this information for this. Remember, we're reading for information. And then step 4 is you want to write your answer to this question. Now it says, what do you think about what the textbook says about the differences between high school writing and college writing? If you haven't been shown how to do this, let me show you one of the ways that you can get your question, your answer started, is you can use part of this sentence to form your sentence. So the textbook says the differences between high school writing and college writing are, but we need something a little better than that. So I'm going to rewrite it so that it says, the textbook says there are differences between high school and college writing because, I'm going to make this a because statement because I'm explaining something, because college writing is did I tell you I can't spell today? Argumentation writing with a claim, evidence, and addresses limits and objections to the claim. Actually, let me make that plural, to claims. Okay, so here's the part of the sentence that I developed from my question. The textbook says there are differences between high school writing and college writing because college writing is argumentation writing with a claim, evidence, and addresses, and I want to make this grammatically correct, and it addresses limits and objects to claims. Okay, this tells me the what. That's all this tells me. I need to know, I also need to write whether I agree with this or not. And so I'm going to add another sentence to this. And I'm going to say I agree with it because I actually do agree with it. Your answer, this part of your answer may be different. I agree with this statement. I agree with the book. And again, I'm explaining myself. So I have a because the I agree with the book because the first difference I noticed in college writing is that I have to make a claim and support it in all of my college writing. So that's my answer. So what I would do then is I would copy it and I would open the website back up. It's not going to let me copy and paste it in here because I'm not in here as a student. Let me open this up so that I can go to there and I can do student preview. And it takes forever to upload. And go to week 1 assignments. Oh, shoot. I forget it makes me do the same thing it makes y'all do. Okay. Here we go. It just took it a second. So I'm going to click Start Attempt, Continue Attempt 1. So I'm going to copy and paste this into. So this is my answer. And I'm going to make sure it's in there. I'm going to hit Submit. Submit. I get these. When you get this little submission receipt, there's a glitch. There's a little glitch. So like if you submit it, this happened to a student, actually happened to a student for the first time last semester. The student submitted the assignment and got the receipt notification, and then between that notification and it actually, the assignment actually being submitted, Blackboard went down and it was not submitted. If that happens to you, let me know so we can talk about it. Okay, and then so I have submitted that assignment, and you can do all of the assignments that way. You can do all, let me get out of here. Yeah, save that. Okay, you can do all of the reading assignment and quizzes that way. Yeah, open up your book, open up, open up the book, open up, or you can print the book, open it all up, and work, between the 2 pages or in a Word document. That's fine with me. All right, all righty. Well, good luck. Email me if you have questions or need help. email me if you have questions or need help.